quick feeding tutorial. Y'all want to see how we feed these XL bullies? You want to know if we got XL bullies? You believe us or you don't? I'm going to show you how to figure it out. Right here we got about 10 pounds of chicken, so I don't know, probably 5 to 6 to 8 pounds, who knows. We're going to feed. That's a chicken thigh. Give him the Debo a leg. Yeah, it's dirty. Chemicals on it. Y'all want to see how a Presa Canary eat? It's a whole chicken thigh, extra large. You get too close, you're gonna get bit. Not a human though, she don't like dogs. Debo likes to lick his food. Millie. Millie. Get that girl. Get it, girl. Got the torch burning. Trying to keep the bugs down. Chewing it up like bubble gum. Here's a way you can teach them how to chew out of a bowl. Y'all know any videos on it, send it to me. Typical day in the life at Co-op Kennel. Chewing a whole chicken thigh up like bubble gum. Gone. That's how you know you got XL bullies. See them bones crunching? All right, next we have the chicken backs. So the winner, whoever eats first, finishes first, gets the extra chicken back. These chicken backs, I don't know how I feel about the chicken backs. I feel like there's a guy, this guy from Turkish, I think his name is Turkish Bullies on YouTube. He boils his chicken backs. I think you should probably boil these chicken backs because they take a, you know, it's kind of hard for them to poop out. I know you're thinking, you can't boil bones and don't give your dog bones. Hey, I can't tell y'all to give y'all dogs bones. Oh, boy, that motherfucker almost took my hand off. That's a chicken back. Listen to that. That's bone crushing. That's how you know XL bully. If that was your fingers, you wouldn't have any anymore. Debo, like if y'all know, anybody's been following me knows, Debo's underdeveloped because he was a malnutrition puppy that I brought. So his developing, it's gonna take a while. But once he gets to his full size, you're not gonna want no problems with him. Debo's actually 9 months right now. And he's only 55 pounds. But I think he's gonna get to 110 or 120. If anyone knows anything about malnutrition puppies that came in underweight because they weren't treated right or fed right, let me know. Oh shit, I told you the winner gets an extra chicken back. So Miss Greedy herself, we got her over there chewing it up like bubble gum. A whole fucking chicken back. Oh, she ain't done. But she's done. And this dog is not that big. She's only about 70 pounds right now. She's a Merle. So, Goldie, you win an extra chicken back. You win. Debo's head's getting bigger. He just still got, you know, he still has trouble just to develop. But Debo's 9 months, actually. 55 pounds. She's like, yo, where the F is my chicken at? I want more. This girl's 7 months, 90 pounds. We got this little dog right here just eating. Y'all want to see what Debo does if anyone gets near his food? Let's let off the queen. Let's let off the queen bee. See what happens if she gets near Debo's food. Everybody knows the rules. Don't fuck with Debo while he's eating. Don't fuck with Cherokee. Cherokee put a hole in your head for some food. He's cool and calm, but when it comes to eating, she'll put a hole in your head. Cherokee's about 110 pounds right now. Look at that head. I weigh my dogs on a scale almost every day. Every single day almost, just to see. Oh, Debo walked away. His food is gone. Snow took it. He walked away looking for something smaller to fit in his mouth. He lost out. You see, she ate 3 pieces of chicken.